Hey trading friends, it's Thursday, April 14th, 2022. I know you're surprised. We're looking at another short put today. This time it's in the ETF ARK. It's highly liquid. We're going to be in the monthlies, and man, there's lots of open interest. By the way, that IV rank is 63, so that's why we're going to be selling some premium. So if any of this sounds interesting to you, if you've been having any interest or never even heard of ARK, that's what we're going to look at today. So hop on in and join us. If not, have a wonderful day. Hi everybody, my name is Neil. This is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. You can see we're inside of Thinkorswim's simulated trading. So if you were ever looking for a way to prove to yourself whether or not you can be profitable trading options, this is the place for you. All right, so you can see on screen we're looking at the chart for ARK, and like yesterday's trade in Bank of America, we've recently bounced from the 52-week lows, and the short strike we're looking at is a little bit lower than that. So Maybe we're double bottoming a little bit here. Let's see. But we are going to go to this Analyze tab and hit Add Simulated Trade and look at the trade as it was sent to us from Tasty Trade. By the way, if you want trades sent to you from Tasty Trade, head on down to the description. You'll find a link to go sign up for any, all, or none of the emails that they offer, email lists that they offer. All right, the cherry bombs, by the way, 4 days a week we get trade ideas. All right. And that's what we do here in this channel. You can see here we've got the trade built already. We're going to be in the monthlies. Yay. There was much rejoicing. We're going to be looking at the 50 strike for the short put. It's 5-cent wide bid ask, so I pennied it up 2 cents to the dollar. We're looking at a 14 delta, which is slightly off of the Tasty Trade mechanic, but I think that's it's worth it to go to the 14 delta at this point to get that open interest up to near 40,000. That's nice. All right, so with that, we've got one contract. Watch out, yours may default to 10. And if that position size is fine by you, that's fine by you. For me, I like to do the Tasty Trade, trade small, trade often. So we're going to go with that. With this built here, I go to the risk profile. I make sure the date is set in the top right corner to the same date that I see in blue in the bottom left corner over here. And that is May 21st. So with that, I've got my price slice, which is this gold dashed line here, set to exactly where it crosses, the blue line crosses the $0 axis. That is the break-even point, giving us an 86% probability of profit at expiration. And according to the email from Tasty Trade, it's got a P50 of 90%. So a 90% probability of us making $50 somewhere in the next 36 days. And then closing the trade, right? Because what's the Tasty Trade mechanic? 50% of the max profit, or 21 days to expiration is when we manage the trade. All right, I'm going to go ahead and right-click this trade, choose Confirm and Send. You can't see it, so let me show it to you. Here it is. Here's that little window, and it says your max profit is $100. Your max loss is $4,900. So limited capped profit, and large amount of potential loss, which if you did the math in this one, it's almost exactly 2% is the total return on capital that you could get if you collected the full maximum profit on this one. If you took your 50%, of course, then you'd be looking at 1%. All right, but either way, 1% return on your money might beat a savings account, right? With a near 90% probability of that happening. It'd be interesting to see, wouldn't it? Test out the theory. So let's do this here in the simulated environment and see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and throw that into my IRA account because I do like to throw short puts there. When you put the short put in the IRA, of course, it's going to require the entire buying power effect versus the margin account where it only holds $500 of buying power. All right, going to go ahead and hit send. And that is our trade for the Thursday, the 14th of April. I do appreciate you watching this video to the end. I have made this one extra short. The market here in the US is closed tomorrow, so this is the final trade for the week. Until I see you next week, everybody, may the market be with you.